Here we are doing our oil change for our push lawnmower. It's our yard machine Briggs Stratton motor. We're just going to start it up, get the oil a little bit more warm and easier to flow out. Let's see. Got our oil pan and rag ready. Let's take a look at the oil here. Ooh, ugly. Take our spark plug cap off. Now we're going to drain it. Just tilt the mower down, and that's our old termite shield we're using for our house edition. And there's our oil, 5W30 full synthetic. We need 16 ounces, so we'll just check it right when we get to around 15 or so. Actually poured it perfectly, 16. Put the dipstick back in, check it. Perfect. Put the spark plug back on and start it up. There we go. And that's the oil change. Ready for the yard machine, Briggs Stratton motor. 140cc.